Hello everyone, I invite you to every Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC to USDT pair, taking into account the 4-hour interval. First, we will use the yellow line to determine the local downward trend, to which the price quickly returned. Now we can move on to marking support areas in the event of a correction. And here, first of all, it is worth marking the support at the price level of $41,795. Then we have visible support at the price of $40,711. And then we will define a strong support zone from $39,957 to $38,938. Looking the other way, we can determine resistance locations in a similar way using the trend-based fib extension tool. First, we will mark a strong resistance zone from $43,199 to $44,472. When it is overcome and positively tested, the path towards the resistance at $46,500 will open. At this point, it is worth looking at EMA cross 10 and 30, which indicate that the price tried to return to the upward trend, but everything indicates that this attempt was unsuccessful. And again, the red line is approaching the intersection of the green EMA cross 30 line. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that the sideways price movement has regained energy. The RSI indicator shows room for further declines, while the stock indicator, in line with recent predictions, has recovered and there is still room to pull the price lower. Secondly, we will check the BNB versus USDT chart, also on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the yellow line to determine the local downward trend under which the price is moving. In order to determine the current supports for the BNB price, we will unfold the trend-based fib extension grid. And we can see that the price is approaching a strong support zone from $247 to $239. However, if we break down from this zone, we can see the price return to the support area at $229. Looking the other way, we can similarly mark places where the price should encounter resistance on the way up. And here, first, there is strong resistance at the price of $255. Then there is resistance at the level of $262 at the golden fib point. And then the price has to face a strong resistance zone from $267 to $273. Please look at the stock indicator, where we have a strong rebound and there is room for us to go a little lower. But moving near the lower border, we can observe an attempt at a rebound and small increases. And when we look at EMA cross 10 and 30, we can see that they do not yet indicate confirmation of a return to the downward trend. Going further, we will check the behavior of LTC over a 4-hour interval. As we can see, the price, with a dynamic movement, broke the local upward trend line at the bottom. When we unfold the trend-based fib extension grid, we can see that the price has retreated to a strong support zone from $70 to $67. However, if this zone is broken, we may see further declines towards the support level of $60. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the resistance areas that the price must face. And here we see that the first resistance should appear at $75.65, and then we will move towards the resistance zone from $79 to $81. And then to the resistance at $84.58. The CHOP index indicates that there is energy to make a larger move. The RSI indicator shows consolidation and a small rebound, while the stock index, despite a strong move, did not give a large price increase, which may limit larger increases. The last one in today's list is the link chart in the USDT pair. First, we will use blue lines to mark the upward trend channel in which the price is approaching its lower boundary. In this situation, we will unfold the trend-based fib extension and check the support areas. And here we can see that the price is above the strong support zone from $14.42 to $13.60. But if it goes lower, we can see a break from the channel and return to the support area at $11.31. Looking the other way, we see that first the price must overcome the important resistance zone from $16.57 to $17.31, which would also result in an exit from the channel and after breaking the resistance at $18.26, a path towards $21. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that we have more and more energy. On the RSI indicator, we are moving around the middle of the range. But the stock indicator shows a clear recovery, which may result in a greater price drop. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.